interactive, live attendance sheet using Microsoft Excel? Let's create a staff attendance sheet. Open Microsoft Excel from the Start menu. We will create a workbook by using a template. Microsoft Excel provides multiple types of templates that you can choose to work on. To find a template that is suitable for you, enter an appropriate keyword in the search box. If the entered keywords are not able to provide you with a result, you can try a different keyword. Click on a suitable option from the results. Click Create. This pre-designed workbook has multiple sheets that are listed at the bottom. You can explore and check the pre-designed content in these sheets. For better identification, they are named and colored as well. The Employee Leave Tracker is a sheet that records multiple types of leaves that many employees may take. If your company is small or a startup, you can delete it. Now we have 4 main sheets. Go to the List of Employees sheet. Enter the names of your staff members or employees. If you want to enter only employee codes, you can do so as well. If there are any extra cells, rows or columns, select and delete them from the Home tab. Moving ahead, go to the Leave Types sheet. Select the existing cells. An icon will appear at the bottom. Click on it. Then click Duplicate. Go to the cell where you want the content to be copied. Right-click in the cell and click Paste. Expand the column. Go to the recently copied cell and enter an appropriate title. As you can see, we are entering the types of leaves with their abbreviations. These abbreviations are easier to enter in the attendance sheet than entering the complete leave name. Align the textual content in this tab.
We are entering 3 leave types, that are sick leave, casual leave, and bereavement leave. Bereavement leave or compassionate leave is a paid leave that the staff can use following the death of a close family member or friend. If your company doesn't provide such leaves, you can choose to skip entering them in this sheet.
Go to the Company Holidays sheet. Enter an appropriate title in this cell. Insert another column in the sheet. Select the column C, click Insert, and then click Insert Cells. Provide a title for this column. We are entering the date, days, and holiday descriptions in this sheet. This tab is going to help you and the staff members understand and plan tasks accordingly. When you are done, move on to the next sheet. This is the Staff or Employee Attendance sheet. It contains content in the cells that are only required if your business or company has more than 10 to 15 members. You may delete them for now. Select all the cells, click Clear, and then click Clear All. Rename this tab if required. We are also clearing the second row as it is not required here. Enter a suitable month name. Clear all the data from column C to record new data. Insert a row below the first one. Enter your business or company's name in this cell. Enhance the text by using the formatting options such as font, font size, font color, etc. Now, change the content that is present in the next cells as required. You can enter titles such as employee code, shift, employee name, dates, overtime, late marks, total, etc. Delete the information that is not required. Expand the columns. Select the cells that have the overflowing text and click on Wrap Text. Select the whole column by clicking on the column number. Set the text alignment to the center. Next, enter the employee or staff codes. If you don't have any, you can choose to delete this column. Now, enter the shifts that these employees choose to work in at your company. Ignore the errors that might occur in the process of changing the content. Enter the employee names. Ensure that you are filling all the information correctly. Next, enter this sign for all the days that the employees have been present. If an employee has taken a leave, you can mention the type of leave in the form of its abbreviation. At the end of the month, you can note down the total leaves taken by your staff members. We have also entered other information such as late marks, overtime, and total leaves applied for by the staff member. To count the total leaves taken by all the members, use the formula as shown here. Enter is equal to sum, bracket open, and then select the first formula that appears in the result. Now, select the cells that contain the values. This tells Excel which values are to be counted. Now, click anywhere in the document. The total count of leaves appears here. Add a nice border to the cells.
Use wrap text to adjust the content properly.
You can expand a row or column to see the content. If you still think that the content is visible properly, you can merge two cells. Select two cells at a time and click on Merge and Center. This will merge the cells and display them as one cell. To merge more cells, click on the first cell, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then click on the last cell. This will select all the cells in between as well. Click on Merge and Center. Change the text alignment to center. Follow the same set of steps to merge and center other titles in the sheet. Right-click on the sheet name, move or copy. Here, select an appropriate position to copy the sheet. Click in the checkbox, OK. We have just created another attendance sheet. Rename it as well. Right-click on the sheet name, hover the cursor over Tab, Color, and select a suitable color. By following the same set of steps that we performed for the staff attendance sheet of August month, create and complete the sheet for September. Let's save this document. Go to the File menu. Click Save or Save As. Browse. Select a location for the workbook. Enter the workbook name. Click Save. Now, you can also choose to print this document to keep a permanent record in your printed archives. If you don't have a printer, you can provide a PDF document to a print shop and take out the prints. To convert the workbook into PDF format, go to the File menu, click Export, create PDF or XPS. Check the workbook settings. Click Options. In this window, make changes only if required. Click OK. Publish. The workbook has been exported with all the sheets that we have created in PDF format. If you have a printer, you can directly print the workbook. Ensure that your printer is switched on and connected to your computer. Now, go to the File menu, click on Print. Specify the settings correctly. Once done, click on Print. If you want your employees to manually enter their present or absent marks daily, you can choose to print the workbook that has